How to change Facebook Messenger language. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change Facebook Messenger language. So as you may have noticed that there is no any direct option to change the language from inside of the Messenger application itself. So what you need to do is just come over to your device's settings, just like this. So once you're inside here, basically just you can just look out for the language option by simply scrolling down and clicking on this general management option over here. As you can see, there is a language option, so now simply select it. And once you're inside here, as you can see that my current language is English, so if you want any other language, you can simply tap on this add language button over here. And let's say you want a Philippine language, so you can simply select that particular language and click on this set as default. And just like that, you should be changing every language from your message application to that particular language, selected language as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.